by that time, isinaalang
Sige, mabulol ka. Mabulol.
Uy, ang bigat Short
film.
Oh my God.
Sa Central Avenue yun.
Hala.
New era.
Ay, sinabi. Central Avenue. Pero I'm glad na I made that short film for them sa thesis nila. Kasi nanalo yun eh.
Pamas.
Siyempre,
Sa school lang.
School nila.
Katabi lang natin na company. I got a freelance job
Metropole?
sa...
Di namin yan alam.
What? Construction siya.
City Shutters.
Yeah, oo. At that time...
As a drone pilot.
As a drone. Nagdadagdagan yung experience.
Dadagdagan yung portfolio.
Dadagdagan yung iPod.
Don't forget to follow The Awesome Podcast on Spotify at abangan ng mga susunod na episodes.